So hi, this is Rahul. Welcome to Geeks, and this is a kind of off-topic video on this channel because that's kind of my personal matter and also it's kind of technical. So I just thought to share this whole thing on this channel, this YouTube channel for you guys, so that you can get reference if you have the same problem in future. So let's get started. Here's the thing that my Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, I'm using this phone right now as my primary device. That got heartbreaked about 2 or 3 days ago, and that is my fault kind of thing. I just lost my warranty because I just had rooted the phone. It's some custom ROM recovery, some custom ROMs, any kind of thing, and the phone just got detected with the custom binary and it was a firmware lock. So it is kind of heartbreak. The phone was not getting turned on, so I just went to on my PC, continued with the PC, and I was just trying to install the whole firmware using the Odin. Even I had the Samsung smart key, a smart switch, and also the Samsung keys, but nothing worked for me. So I just decided to go to service center because there is nothing left, no option left in front of me, and I was just thinking only one thing: how much they will charge, because it is not in the warranty, and if it gets some software issue they might charge about how much, 500-600 rupees maximum. But if there are a serious kind of heartbreak, they have to just change the whole motherboard or kind of parts of motherboard, and that will be really expensive. So yeah, if you are just going to spend about 5 to 6,000 rupees on a phone that cost only 14,000 rupees, and even less right now, it's costing about 11,000 rupees in Flipkart. The half the price are going to be with the service center for only a motherboard. That's not a clever move, I would say. You should move on to another phone, I would say. So I was just worried about that thing. So I just went to service center, and they just charged me only 236 rupees for the software, and everything is working fine. So yeah, after the software update or after the software installation, there are some things you are getting which you used to get in the stock firmware, but there are some still more things which will not get in this firmware because of some weird security features of Samsung that they're gonna lose, and they are also gonna lose some more features with that whole thing. So I'm gonna share the whole story with you, and I'm gonna also use this mobile to demonstrate. So if it's the first time here or you has just forgotten, my name is Rahul, you are watching Geeks, and this is my full review. So guys, as you can see, the phone is just ready as usual as before, and it is running on a stock firmware. So yeah, it's just on 16th April. I just flashed it on how much, 14th April. I have not flashed it, the authority has flashed it. So there are some few changes that I'm gonna show you. In previous versions of Android or the rooted version that I was gonna use, you just can't update the software because the phone was rooted and kind of thing. But yeah, let me just turn on the internet, and as you can see, the security software update will work perfectly. Okay, my phone is not in focus as usual issue. So yeah, as you can see, it's not in focus, and yeah, as you can see, it is just checking for the update, and it is the latest version of the software, so there is no update. But you can update the software even your phone was rooted before, so that's a pretty good thing, I would say. You are getting this feature, software update feature back, and everything is perfect, and you are just getting a stock binary kind of thing, and everything works except some of the features like Knox. Samsung Knox is a strict because it's a hardware level and a software level thing together. So that's a feature for enterprise user, that you are not gonna lose any of your data, whether your phone is mishandled or someone has stolen your phone. They have got one we say. So the Knox is just a one-time thing. If you have tripped it for the first time, this is not gonna get. Just like the warranty. The warranty is stripped for the first time, you're not gonna get it. And same like the Knox, if you are stripped for the first time, you're not gonna get it unless you're changing the motherboard and some parts of the motherboard. So yeah, that's the whole thing. Some Knox related feature will also not work. As you can see, the secure folder is kind of Knox related feature, and I'm gonna show you the whole thing. If you're going to protect your data, start. It is trying to make a Knox mode, but this will not be created because the Knox is already tripped. It will take some time, and let's see what's happening in this phone. So as you can see, failed to create the Knox mode. Try again because the Knox is stripped. And there is also another issue. Let me just show you. If you just go to Samsung Health, it's not gonna work. For your security, Samsung Health can't be opened on a rooted phone. It's not rooted because it's just Knox has got tripped, so it's detecting like it's rooted. And another thing is Samsung Pay Mini. It's just trying to sell 40 MB download, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna just, what I would say, just waste my data because this is not gonna work. Yeah, but that doesn't matter because it doesn't have any kind of NFC, so that's not a great deal or great feature in this phone. So yeah, And I'm also gonna show you the Odin mode at where everything is. In previously, it was gonna say the binary is custom, the system is stock when the phone has just got bricked, and the warranty word was 1. That's basically a Knox counter. So let's reboot this turn of the phone, this part of the phone, and I'm gonna show you the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you after the Knox mode is loaded. So let's stay tuned. So guys, I'm in the Knox mode, and you can see a custom OS can cause critical problem in phone and install app. If you want to download a custom OS, please the volume up button. So select volume up. As you can see, it's the Odin mode, and I have to do some trick to show you in the camera. And this can't focus. It's really tough to focus on this small object, but I'm trying my hard. As you can see, Odin mode download speed fast, product name SMG610F, camera is Samsung official as it's official, and system as a FRP lock is on already because if you are doing something, you just get shipped once again. And second download is the non-built warranty for 1. This is the Knox counter, and if it's 1, you're not gonna get the Knox feature as well, just like the warranty, you have lost it. So yeah, there is something AP Swift, I just learned about it, and it's in download mode. So what I have to do is if you want to just in this mode and you just want to get back, so just press the volume down. Let me just focus, and this focus lock is coming. You have to just do the volume down and the power button together to go into the normal mode. So let's just wait and let me show you how to get back to. As you can see, it's just gonna boot into the firmware, as you can see. So yeah, that's the whole thing. And if you are just wanna experiment with something, I would strongly suggest you that make sure that it's not your primary phone, because they're gonna lose some serious features. So, and if you want all the features like Knox, Samsung, etc., and it's on a primary phone, do not boot the phone because it's gonna lose, and you are gonna lose everything. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you don't like the video, go into the comment section and comment down what is your problem or what is our problem about our videos, and we're gonna improve it really soon. So thank you, take care, bye bye now.